Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to reset and factory format your Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here and then click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to update and security. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to recovery. So it's going to take you right here, giving you two options. The option one right here is recovery option, which states that reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. The second option here is advanced startup. Start up from a device or disk such as USB drive or DVD, change Windows setup settings, or restore Windows from a system image. This will restart your PC. So if this is the best option you want to choose, click on Start Now. Or better still, this best option here is Reset PC. It's going to take you to this particular section right here. Now from this section here, if you are giving out your PC entirely, it is advisable to choose remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. But if you want to format your PC and you want to keep some relevant documents on your PC, it is advisable to choose keep my file, remove apps and settings, but keep my personal file. Having selected the options of keep my personal file, click on restart now. It's going to take a lot of time. This depends on the types of file you have on your PC. Once it's done with the restart, then your PC becomes fresh and then you retain some of the important files. You can reinstall your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is the step-by-step guide on how you can simply restart and reformat your Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.